I come highly recommended, except I've got a few babysitting habits that are frowned upon.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, God.
So, would you trust me with your children, Elvis?
No.
Well, neither should this guy.
All right, here we go. Froggy's phone tap. Let's listen in.
Hello?
Yes, Paul there?
Yeah, this is Paul. Who's this?
This is Steve. I was given your name by Melissa. I heard you were looking for some childcare.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry to bother you at work. Have you got a couple minutes?
I should take a minute, yeah. How long have you been working with kids?
For a couple weeks.
Oh, okay. So, it's fairly new business. What were you doing before that?
Kid's a kid, you know what I mean? How old's your son, daughter? How old?
My son is 3 years old. He's kind of a handful, but I didn't...
Good. He likes the sound of my farts.
Excuse me?
I know, I said he liked the sound of my farts. You know, even when they're 3 years old, they don't know what a fart is, but it sounds funny.
Yeah, maybe so.
He's gonna think there's a thunderstorm in the basement and be like,
All right, Steve, well, thanks for the call.
No, he left? Your son?
Be in touch, okay?
I'm also really good at teaching kids.
No, he went to school.
Okay, great.
No. It's okay, I don't need the sandwich now. Your son... No, your son left?
Again, we'll be in touch. So I'll give you a call, all right? Steve, thank you very much.
That was great. He's gonna call me right now and tell me what just happened.
Okay, don't answer it, and we'll call him right back with you on the phone.
Perfect.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I just talked to a guy, Steve, that you recommended for babysitting.
Oh, he called you already?
I absolutely want nothing to do with him. When I first told him that I had a 3-year-old son, the first thing that he literally said to me is, "Oh, great, I love the sound of my farts."
Farts?
My kid is not going to be his, experiment of who he can let smell his farts. And then his next line is, "Oh, did you get in the toilet?" Like, who says this when they're trying to get a job?
Well, you don't have to use them. I mean, he just came highly recommended. You know, Jen.
Listen, I just got off the phone with him, and there was a baby that was crying, and he literally started cursing at this child.
What do you mean
And
cursing?
at Jen's right now, is that her kid that he's screaming at?
Her 4-year-old loves him, so they trust him.
Listen, you are not getting what I'm saying to you right now. I just heard this. There's a baby crying, and he just starts screaming like a maniac.
Actually, the guy's just phone tapping you.
What?
It's Froggy Phil, Duran of the Morning Show.
I knew. Good job.
Paul, you've been phone tapped.
That is awful. I'm at work right now.
I know. I told him I'll listen in the next week.
Oh my God. I can't believe it.
Elvis Duran phone tap. Yeah, I don't know if I want you watching my kid.
No.
He loves the smell of my farts.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut the hell up in there! I'm on the phone!
Good job, Froggy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I can't believe, once again, he stayed on the phone with you that long. I'm like, really? If you have an idea for a phone tap, someone you know is very phone tappable, let us know all about it. Go to ElvisDuran.com and click on the phone tap link.
This phone tap was pre-recorded with permission granted by all participants. Elvis Duran and the Morning Show phone taps, bringing families together while tearing their homes apart.
So when we went to hop on the